Welcome to the Morrison Test Kitchen. Today, what I want to do is I want to take you through the preparation of our January LTO. And our January LTO is a flatbread, and it's going to be a caramelized onion and fennel flatbread. It's going to have a little bit of Alfredo sauce, some mozzarella cheese, going to cook it up nice and crisp, and then we're going to serve that with a arugula salad on top. We're going to have some nice crisp arugula, some red onions, and just some simple olive oil and lemon juice to go along with it. First, I want to walk you through the mise en place for today. Start off with a nice richest flatbread. On top of that, we're going to have our fresh made Alfredo sauce. We make our Alfredo sauce with skim milk as opposed to cream, reduce our fat and calories. Next, we have our caramelized onion and our caramelized fennel. We've caramelized them, develop that great flavor, that sweetness that naturally occurs in both of the vegetables, also to cook out some of the harshness that you have when those vegetables are raw. Next, we have our mozzarella cheese. We've used part skim, once again, reduce our fat and calories. And on top of all of it, once it's cooked, we're going to have our salad. That's all going to start off with a beautiful bed of nice fresh arugula. We're going to have some shaved red onion on top of that. Our dressing is just going to be simply fresh squeezed lemon juice, some extra virgin olive oil, and then we'll top it all off with some mandarin oranges and some beautiful shaved parm. Next thing I want to do is walk you through the assembly of the flatbread. First thing I want to do is half the richest flatbread, set the other half aside for another flatbread later. On top of my flatbread, I'm going to have my Alfredo sauce next. I'm using a measuring spoon. I want to measure out 2 tablespoons, and then I'm going to spread this out to the edges. You can use a spatula, you can use a spoon. I personally find the easiest way is with a pastry brush. On top of that, I'm going to have my mozzarella cheese, which again I want to spread out edge to edge. Don't want too much of that rim of crust like you'd see from a typical pizza. Spread out a nice thin layer. Top that with my caramelized onion and fennel mixture. You notice I've used measuring cups in all these steps. It's real important. Help us watch our food costs as well. Also make sure that everybody's getting the same portion. Make sure that the recipes are working correctly. Once that's done, I'm going to take this flatbread, I'm going to roast it in an oven, 375 degrees, for about 4 to 5 minutes. I want the cheese to get nice and brown, I want the crust to be a little bit crispy, and we'll top it with our salad to finish it off. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is toss the arugula with some olive oil, a little bit of lemon juice, and our red onion. So I take my nice crisp arugula, give it 1 spray from my olive oil. I'm going to add my sliced onion, followed by some nice fresh squeezed lemon juice. I'm just going to toss all that together. I want all the arugula to be covered in the olive oil. Spread all that flavor around. And I'm just going to set this aside for our next step, which would be plating the dish. Last thing I want to do is bring it all together to make our final plate. We've got our caramelized flatbread. Looks fantastic. The cheese is nice and brown. It's got some nice texture. It's going to have a nice snap when the person bites into it. First thing I want to do is cut my flatbread into 5 pieces. I'm going to take that, put it right onto my plate. The beautiful arugula salad that I made up before, and place that right on top. See, those greens are nice and tossed. They've got that nice shine from the olive oil. And the last thing I want to do, top that with some beautiful mandarin oranges. And finish the whole thing up with some beautiful fresh grated Parmesan. And that's it. We've got our caramelized onion and fennel flatbread for our January LTO.